Welcome to the Procserve training video for the Supplier portal. In this video you will learn how you can pick up your documents and use various options to filter on specific documents. You will also learn how to invoice an order and use the various options within the admin menu, such as setting VAT rates. By now you should have received an email with your username and URL to the Procserve Commerce Network, and a separate email containing your password. On your initial login, you'll be prompted to change your password and to create a memorable word. Once you have logged in, on the left-hand side, under Supplier menu, select the Supplier portal. This will open up in a new window where the first page you are presented with contains the links to all various documents that are waiting attention. In order to see your transaction documents, select the Documents tab on the top right. Under the tab Documents list, ensure that Orders has been selected from the drop-down box. In the second drop-down box, you can filter on the status of the document, for example, Documents not yet viewed. In the third drop-down box, select the time period for the documents list. For example, all orders not yet viewed from this week. A list of all your documents will show up below. Select the order number of the order you wish to action. You will then see this appear on the right-hand side under Document Summary. Within the document summary, you can also see if the document has been actioned and whether it has been invoiced or quoted. Each box will be marked with a yes if it has and a no if it has not. By clicking the first icon, you'll be able to view the document online. By clicking the second icon, you'll be able to view the PDF version of the document. To mark the document as void, select the third icon. To the top right, you can select the green arrow to invoice this order without viewing it online first. Please note, you would not have this option if your customer is not configured to receive invoices and quotes. Select the first icon to view the order. Then click the green arrow to the right of Create Invoice to start creating the invoice. Before you begin to create the invoice, you'll be warned that the invoice has not yet been saved. You are prompted to save first in order to generate an invoice record. To do so, click the floppy disk icon. You will now be in Edit Invoice mode. You can edit the invoice accordingly, for example, if item prices have changed to what was on the order originally. Please note, you can also insert additional lines such as shipping costs or other charges. You can also part invoice an order depending on stock and other variables. The original order lines appear at the bottom, under the order number, towards the bottom half of the page. To the right of the order lines, you will see the green plus icons. Use these to select the line items you wish to add to the invoice. As you do this, you'll see the line items appear under Invoice Lines. You also have the option to select all the items in one go by selecting the double plus icon. If you wish to change anything within this invoice, simply click on the pencil icon and the editable fields will appear. Once completed, click the Save button to confirm your changes. To add shipping costs, select the Shipping button and then the green plus icon to the right. It will appear as an editable line on the invoice, so you can insert the relevant information here, then save to add the line. If you would like to insert any other charges, simply select the Other Charge button and follow the same procedure. Once you are happy with your invoice, select the Send Invoice button. You will then be notified before sending the invoice that you have the option to go back and make any amendments if you wish to do so, or to continue sending the invoice, click the Send button. To create a credit note, select the Documents tab on the top right to go to the Documents list. From the first drop-down box, select Invoice. Then select the invoice number from the list below for the invoice you would like to create a credit note for. To edit your company settings, select the Admin tab from the top right and click on Company Admin. You will find the subsections on the left hand side. Under the General section, you can edit your organisation's details. You can also set your default VAT rates and whether you would like the VAT to be calculated at line level and how you wish the calculation rounding to be set. If you need additional support with the Supplier portal, please contact the Procserve Supplier support team on 0845 604 2328 or by email at suppliersupport@procserve.com.